So, kasama natin ang isang Zik Ulina. Sino ba naman hindi nakikilala, di ba? Hell University at ngayon, kasali na siya sa Dating Alice Perez. First, bati mo muna sila, Zik.
What up to all the fans of SDP and DAP? Thank you so much for the support. I never would have seen this coming, and I'll try my best to repay you guys, I swear.
Gaano naging kakaiba sa'yo yung experience ng character mo sa Hell University compare dito sa Dating Alice Perez?
Yeah, iba talaga. Just from the, syempre I've read the material, very different. As in, just the location pa lang and their personality, from everything, the way they look, you know, their mannerisms, kaya ibang-iba talaga. But both of them, love them.
Grabe, nasa another level na yung isang Zik Ulina talaga. Speaking of another, ano nangyayari sa akin? Speaking of another level is, i-challenge natin into another level si Zik. Meron ngayon nagte-trend na wow, okay, in form of emotions. Nakita mo na yun sa FYP mo?
Parang?
Alright.
Yeah.
Siyempre, hindi mo pa nagagawa yun.
Okay.
At ngayon, gagawin natin yun. Paano mo gagawin yung wow, okay na supportive?
Wow, okay.
Ngayon, may pag-ano talaga. Kasi, next is disappointed.
Wow, okay.
Third is sarcastic.
Wow, okay.
Yun, yung pag-ano ng mata. Yung, paano yung Zik na ano? Ito, inaantay nyo to. Paano yung Zik na flirty?
Wow.
May flirt mo, alam naman ako.
Wow. Okay.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Tuwang-tuwa na naman kayo dyan. So, Zik, galing. Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Invite mo na sila.
Yeah, guys. So soon, DAP is going to be showing only on Viva One, and yeah, again, thank you so much for the support. And stay tuned. There's definitely going to be, you know, ibang luto naman to.
Abangan natin yan. And congratulations. Thank you so much, bro.